Hi, I'm Dr. Scott Broussard with the Waggin Train, and in today's topic we're going to discuss the importance of good dental hygiene and why regular dental appointments are important to your pet. My assistant Cole is going to help me with some questions that should hopefully help you to have a better understanding of the topic. Cole?
Dr. Broussard, how does dental health impact the overall health of my dog?
Well, the teeth affect a dog's health in a lot of different ways. More importantly, the bacteria from the bloodstream. If the teeth are unhealthy, those abnormal bacteria can get in the bloodstream and affect things such as your heart and heart valves, your kidneys, your liver. So it's along those ways that I think the dental hygiene can affect the entire system or body system, I should say.
How can I care for my dog's teeth at home?
At home, there's a bunch of different ways you can do it. So first off, brushing. Just like we brush our teeth on a daily basis, if it's possible, that should be done on a pet as well. If brushing is not a possibility for you, there's various dental chews, there's dental treats, there's specific foods that have a dental aspect to them, so they help to brush off or wipe off the plaque from the tooth surface. Any and all of those methods that you can combine are ways that you can prevent dental disease at home.
What are some signs and symptoms of dental disease in dogs?
Well, the most common thing that everybody knows about, hears about, and that I see here is the smell. So the dogs want to get right in your face, they want to lick you, kiss you, that kind of thing, and they just have this horrendous odor. So the smell is going to be one of the first signs that a lot of owners pick up on. If you're being a little bit more astute, you can see things such as tartar or calculus built up on the teeth. You can see gingivitis, which is a redness or inflammation of the gums. And then in more severe cases, they term it as periodontal disease. That's where you can actually begin to have maybe some pus under the gums, you can have loose teeth, those kind of things. And again, all of these are accompanied by that lovely odor that we all associated as dog's breath. So yeah, any and all of those things can be part of the signs.
What are some of the common dental diseases in dogs?
Well, dental disease could be simply periodontal disease. That's the most common thing that we see. Now, also in that, I kind of lump together things like you can have cysts, a little rare, but you can have cysts, you can have various types of growth, like an epilus is a benign growth, you can have some melanomas and other not so benign growths in the mouth. Yeah, that's probably the big ones that I see.
Why is early detection and diagnosis of dental disease so important?
Well, it's like anything else. The sooner you can detect it, the sooner you can treat it and remedy the problem or take away the problem altogether. So teeth is no exception to that. It gets overlooked a lot. I will tell you that in examinations that we do, that is arguably one of the most common things we see on almost every appointment. Not every, but almost every. And it tends to get swept under the rug a lot. Would we do that on you and I? No, we probably wouldn't. So addressing it early before you do have periodontal disease, loose teeth, bad breath, pain on eating. I skipped that one earlier, but dogs sometimes can be painful when they're eating. Why let it get to that point? Early detection and hopefully early cleaning, and you alleviate all of those problems.
How often should my dog's teeth be checked?
Checking it, I would say at a minimum of annually when they come in for their physical exam and potentially vaccinations on an annual basis. At a minimum, it should be checked. Then there are a lot of dogs that are more problematic than others, and sometimes maybe a twice a year exam would be warranted. Some of these dogs that I'm mentioning have to have their teeth cleaned twice a year. So yeah, once to twice a year would be my answer there.
What does a professional dental cleaning for a dog look like?
It looks ironically similar to our professional cleaning. The only difference being you can't ask a dog to sit still while you probe around and under their gum line. So we do require general anesthetic to do a proper cleaning. Once the animal is under anesthetic and intubated, the cleaning process is almost identical. We do digital x-rays of the gums and teeth. We use an ultrasonic scaler, handheld instruments, we polish, we use fluoride afterwards, the whole 9 yards. Yep. All right, well guys, thanks for tuning in. If you have any questions, contact us either directly at our office, through Facebook, email us, and hopefully we can answer any questions you may have. Thanks for tuning in.